This time I would like to tell you about nodes, issues, and alerts. Nodes and commands can be created for tasks, resources, resource groups, and 3D objects. You can review nodes associated with the object by clicking over it and opening Properties. Check the Nodes tab for 3D objects. To add a node, make a right-click over the subject field and select Add. Now you can rename the heading and add some comment text. You can create nodes for tasks, 3D objects, resources, and resource groups. Now I'd like to open Issues. You can find it from Navigator, Monitoring Issues. In order to add an issue, make a right-click, add one, and give it a subject, description. You can attach document. It's the same but minimize documents window. Select the priority of the issue, assign it to a user, and if this issue is associated with this object, we can capture it as a resource or 3D object, and we can capture selected tasks, 3D viewpoint, or submit an email to a user. And submit it. You can correct information in regards to this issue from the windows below, assign more documents, and create nodes. Please bear in mind that these nodes have nothing to do with ones that we created at the beginning of this lecture. This node is associated with a particular issue only. Now if we zoom out, make a right-click over the issue and select All Captured and activate the viewpoint, we can revise our issue. We can also assign this issue to a task by selecting the task from Object and capture selected tasks. So along with highlighted resources, we can highlight associated task. But again, we're only highlighting it. So if we click over Task Properties and General Information, you'll find out that there is nothing selected. So the task is highlighted only. Although if we select it from the Gantt chart and go to the issues, you see that this issue is related to this task. After the issue has been resolved, you can change its status. The Issues tab is particularly handy while you're working with site applications on your iPad. You can filter issues that only are assigned to you or owned by you. And lastly, let's take a look at alerts. Activate the Alerts tab. Alerts are generated for particular conditions that exist in the project and provide you with early warnings. If the alert window is blank, click over Reschedule Report, which is under Plan, Reschedule Report. You can review it, and all problem tasks will be highlighted in red. And you can review Reschedule Report settings from the options. Open Options and search for Rescheduling.